Gwadar can radically transform the economic and geopolitical arithmetic of Pakistan as well as the whole Indian Ocean region. Full stop. However, the full potential of this port city, which is also referred to as the linchpin of the China-Pakistan economic corridor, has been neither explored nor exploited yet. First up, the city has already received 19 billion for the development of the port and is eyeing another 11 billion of Saudi investment for the establishment of an oil refinery. First up, but it faces acute problems related to health, water and education as well as basic infrastructure. First up, the available health and education facilities are not only inadequate but also difficult to access. First up, although recent rains in the Makran coastal region, which occurred after about 4 years, will significantly contribute to addressing the water crisis and ease pressure on the Gwadar Development Authority. Inhabitants of the city will continue to face power shortages in the coming summer. First up, the people of Gwadar are waiting for Prime Minister Imran Khan, who is to visit later this month to inaugurate the Gwadar Expo 2019. First up, during his visit, the inaugurate of a number of projects is expected, including the Gwadar power plant, a new international airport, a vocational training institute and a hospital. First up, however, residents are cautious in their celebration and say former Prime Minister Mia Nawaz Sharif also announced 1 billion for the development of the city. First up, Mr. Khan's may artificially boost the real estate market that has absorbed billions of investors' rupees from across the country and now wait for the port city's master's development plan to kick in. First up, indeed, the people of Gwadar have for long been waiting for the Gwadar Smart Port City Master Plan. First up, the government says a consensus has been developed, but it has not been finalized and approved of yet. First up, Chinese companies working on the port and engaged in several projects on special economic zones have also shown their displeasure several times